Hello, this is Rhonda Shaffer with Action Home Business. Thank you for watching today, and please let me know how you enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up and a comment below. And consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos coming soon. Now, about today's topic. Branding is more than ranching. It goes beyond the wild, wild west. I won't be firing up my irons and searing my mark on my herd. I will be talking about business branding through article marketing. One of the best and most important aspects of growing any business is branding it, which is creating a name and a reputation for it. It is building your reputation and how you are known. Branding through article marketing is using articles to identify yourself and to help create an image that future customers can identify with and know that you are someone they want to do business with now and in the future. 4 things that successful branding will incorporate. Number 1, name. It has to be recognizable. Number 2, image. It has to be respectable and appealing. 3, promise. You have to tell them that you can help them. 4, motivation. They have to be motivated to work with you. The name in online marketing has to be something that is recognizable, memorable, and will stand out. The strategies used in giving yourself a name will be different because it most likely will be incorporated into your URL in some way. It has to be easy to remember, which means most likely short. It has to stick to the person's mind, so it needs to be unique and memorable. It also has to be easy to spell, so it can be typed into an address bar easily. Your name has to be associated with your key benefit. It also has to have a relatively generic name in it, so it can be readily associated with your product or service. Just make sure that it has a unique twist, preferably not with the spelling. Article branding will allow you plenty of opportunities to get your name out there by repeating that name throughout your articles, such as Rhonda Shaffer with Action Home Business. This will help those reading it and others you write to associate your name with the topic. The image you convey has to be appealing to the consumer, and they have to want to do business with you, and they have to feel good about it. This can be approached from a couple of different fronts. Make things appealing to the eye and to the mind, and one or both of these have to come to the consumer's mind. When you're able, use graphics or logos that will catch the eye and that will make you stick in the person's mind. Also, try to present an image that says you can be trusted and respected. Article branding will help you accomplish this in the way you write and the amount of knowledge that you convey. If you set yourself up as a reliable source of information and an authority on the subject through your articles, it will go a long way to helping your image. And with your promise and motivation, you have to let the consumer know that you intend on helping them and that you can meet their needs. Article branding will help you establish this because in your articles, you're going to be letting them know that you can help them and that it is your desire to meet their needs. Establishing your brand can be one of the most difficult things for any business to do. Many live and die by how well they brand themselves. So large companies give themselves giant, huge budgets to help establish their brand. Fortunately, the internet levels the playing field. Branding your online entity can be done very inexpensively and efficiently by making use of the article writing and article branding. With that said, this is Rhonda Shaffer with Action Home Business. Thank you for watching today, and please let me know how you enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up and making a comment below. And consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos coming soon. Good day.